my youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher, and me can't even read neither.
How will you say name?
Yeah, Jebbe.
Okay.
Anasi, see, a big name, you know. Anasi is from beginning, you know. You know that?
Yeah.
Anasi a male, Anasi.
Africa I come from, you know.
Of course.
From the Ashanti tribe.
Yeah. Anasi.
So look at one give officer general.
A wicked boy. But and in here big. So this man used to have a little son. And every night he tell him Anasi story. And tell him say Anasi. All kind of something. So the man wife start to date the insurance man. One certain man used to come to the area. So when he come and the man offer him dinner, he said to the man, the boy said to the man, then what your name, sir? He said, my name Brother Anasi. He said, oh, are you that you tell me about all the while? He said, oh. So the man give the man some food, so the man squeeze off the meat off of the bone and give the boy the bone. The boy said, I shoot, you know, because daddy tell me say so Anasi treat people. Them have to meat and give people the bone. So when the father come up, he said, Daddy, you know who come and see there? He said, who? Brother Anasi. Father said, hey man, me don't want to hear the Brother Anasi too. He said, Daddy, Brother Anasi come here today, I'm going to give him lunch. The same thing you tell me. He yam the meat and give me the pay bone. You think that right? Father said, no, that's not right. But Brother Anasi story and he said, Daddy, let me tell you something there. Brother Anasi come here today. Me ask him my name and he said, name Brother Anasi. So he come again. The boy said, Daddy, you know who come back today again? He said, who? Father said, listen to me, listen to me. I don't want to hear nothing about your brother Anasi. Because Brother Anasi is not real. He said, Daddy, you real now, it real now. Because he come here today again. And the same thing he do again. Father said, go to bed. Well, I said, all right. So one day something wrong, something happened now that the man not come home early. So the Brother Anasi, he in the house I eat. So the wife look through the window and see where your husband come. Wife said, hey, husband come. Go up under the bed. So the man run up under the bed. So the boy turn at the front door and said, Daddy, come now. Brother Anasi, there you know.
You have evidence.
Right. Look under the bed. Father said, hey man, it's coming tired. So you know about Brother Anasi's story. Daddy, look under the bed, Anasi under there. Idiot. Fucking fool. Look, sir.
At least with curiosity.
Look at curiosity.
You see what I said? Try just feel say you do it for little boy. Believe him.
Daddy, look under the bed, see him this all. Daddy say, you hear me say, little boy, Papa? Go to your bed, man. Alright, Daddy. So your father start eating now, so your father give him piece of the meat. You know, like we used to get. Watch him come now. Bend down. Yeah. Anasi! Brother Anasi! You see this? This are not bone, this are meat. Yeah, look. So you hear they shine. And I know he idiot. Sit down your car to eat for food. I know he will go look with little boy. You too little if you understand. A Brother Anasi trick him. The name.
The name.
And the name trick him, you know.
If he said John on I bed,
In that look.
he would have go look, but because I tell little boy so much Anasi story,
If he say boy, boy,
imagination.
Oh, the boy say, fuck Daddy. Go look under the bed now. At least go look. See him under the bed, sir. Mommy tell you, see, you're coming. What you do? Brother Anasi, you see this? This is not bone, this is meat. Yeah, look. So you hear them shine. Whoa!